What's that? What is that?
I think it's a volcano.
It is a volcano. Well, let's. What if we drop a rock in it? They're making a weird noise.
Guys!
Clump, 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 madam. It's like clump, 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 madam. Whoa, whoa!
Uh-oh.
Wait, what?
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
I think that was the alarm. That was the alarm.
Wait, what is that? Dude, come on!
Lava! Guys, go, 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 go.
Oh my god. What is happening? What is happening?
I don't know.
Oh my
I
god.
think we must have filled it up too much.
Yes,
And then it's...
overflowed. Hold on. I always have this for situations like this.
Whoa.
Yes.
How do you get a lava suit?
Cause I need it for situations like this.
Save him. We must save.
And also,
this
I have a brighter future and I have more to lose. Okay, come on. We have to go to city in the safe route. Dun,
We must save Doug.
Come on, come on. Okay. Ah! Ah!
Oh!
Okay. Where are you? Dude? Go! Oh my god, come on! Come on!
No! Duggar!
Wait, what? Who's that? Who is that? Striker. How are you swimming in lava? Okay, never mind that. Come on. Come on. Okay. It's hot, it's hot.
Yes, yes, yes.
Come on. Okay, my arm is stuck.
You can push yourself.
Come on. Oh, I made it, okay.
There we go. So hot.
It's so hot out here.
Ah!
Wait, what? Did you die? Where are you? Come on. Okay. We gotta get to city now. We can make it. Let's get to the safest area. Come on.
Okay.
Oh my god. Go, 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 go. You too. Oh, come on. Quick, 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 quick. Okay. Okay, whatever. Okay, okay, okay. So how did the volcano even erupt like that?
Don't know.
Okay, it's odd. Okay, so should we go to mountains?
Yes.
Wait, I don't remember you grabbing your keys. Dylan, check your pockets.
Oh.
Check your pockets.
Oh wait, I forgot my keys. I
Oh,
forgot
no.
my keys. Wait.
You have to go back there.
I know. I'll be safe.
Wow, he's so brave. He didn't even take the lava suit.